What's up, educators? Did you know that the average YouTube video takes about 10 jobs to complete? Now, long before I started doing videos or taking pictures or writing books, I got my start on the high school yearbook staff. I joined as a writer as a way to put my writing skills to use, but since there was only a few of us, I also had to learn how to take pictures. I played lots of sports, so that's what they had me shoot, and I fell in love with it right away, and that became my career goal. I ended up going to college for photography, and now I do books, I still write, and now I do videos. Now, the reason that I mention all of this is because clubs in school are a great way to introduce kids to things that allow them to put their unique skills to use. One thing that I am working on is a workshop aimed at a BookTube channel club. So if you don't know what that is, basically BookTube is a YouTube channel where you focus on books. There's plenty of them out there, and they're very good, and they do a great job of engaging readers in unique ways. Now, when it comes to making a video, there's, like I said, 10 different jobs to help complete that. So we're going to take a look at those 10 different jobs to see how you can recruit students to be able to take advantage of their unique skill sets and help them develop some new ones. So, number one, the camera. You need somebody to be able to operate the camera. They should be good with photography and understand technology and video. Number two, audio. If you can't hear it very well, then it's going to diminish the overall quality of your product. So you need to have somebody that understands sound and is interested in it. Number three, music. You want to have somebody that's able to compose and create original music. Now, it doesn't mean that they need to learn how to play an instrument. It just means that they should be able to navigate their way around a music program. That's how most kids do it these days. You'd be surprised at what kids have taught themselves on their own when it comes to making music. Number four, you gotta have talent. Now, talent doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a talent, but it means that since you're gonna be in front of the camera, you need to be able to be comfortable in front of the camera. Number five, you need an editor. An editor is responsible for taking all that footage that you record and chopping it down to tell a story. Who works great for being an editor? Somebody that's very good at technology and is able to tell a story through pictures. Number six, once you've got this great video, you need to upload it to YouTube, so you need an admin. An admin is responsible for not only uploading it, but for tagging it so that people can find it and taking care of all the details of handling how the video gets out to your viewers. Number seven, graphics. If you have kids that are great at drawing and maybe their attention span wanders during class, this is a great way to take advantage of their skill set. Number eight, analytics. Do you know somebody that's very interested and very good at numbers? Analytics is the study of how your video is doing. That means who's watching it, how long are they watching it, when are they watching it, where are they watching it? People that are interested in those details work really well in analytics. Number nine, a script writer. The talent that appears in front of your camera should be able to write their own script, because even though it may seem like people just get in front of the camera and just start talking, you find that you waste a lot of time. So it helps to write down what you're going to say, and that's where script writing comes into play. And last but not least, production. If you know someone that's very detail-oriented and is able to see the big picture and has leadership qualities, then they would be perfect for production. Production involves tying everything together to get not only one set video, but to get videos done on a consistent basis by scheduling them. The producer's job is one of the biggest because it involves taking care of all of the other jobs and making sure they're all working towards one whole. When you find somebody that can do that, you can also help develop leadership skills. Some of your students may already have it, and some may learn to develop it as they work with others. Now, the best part about the club in general is that theoretically you wouldn't just have one person per job, but like when I was on the yearbook staff, everybody would be doing a little bit of everything. You're going to, of course, have some that lean one way and lean another way, but each of your students should be able to do multiple jobs. It not only makes it interesting for them, it also makes the channel more dynamic and easier to handle by a group. So that's it. 10 different jobs for a YouTube channel. The possibilities for student development are endless because they get to learn real-world skills like interviewing, speaking in front of a camera, public speaking, working with others, leadership, delegation of responsibilities, computer technology. All of those different skills can be learned in a BookTube channel club. So get out there, recruit some students, and get that BookTube channel club off the ground.